But tell me, what made you choose law?
I think that law was a very, very good field for me because I love to speak. First of all, I love to debate. So that's why I guess I chose law.
Actually, our relation with IMS goes long back. Me and my husband referred to IMS material when he was preparing for his CAT. So I also referred your material.
She always said, sir, I don't want college to choose me. I want me to choose the college.
Actually, we were a little worried that we have taken online classes for her. Not a single day the classes were cancelled due to technical lags or something like that. All the faculties have helped her. Whenever she was having any doubt, she used to contact the faculties and faculties used to take online lectures for her.
She was completely like कि मम्मी मुझे ये help कर रही हैं, दीदी is also helping me onto this, and Papa is also. So this is something which a message to all parents that it's a complete family journey. It's not just a journey of a student.
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and if you are someone new, please make sure you hit the subscribe button. And now today, okay, who am I? I am Sanika Mate, your friend, your mentor and your guide, welcoming everyone to you for this particular success story of a student who have reached to a point where she has scored 99% in MHCET. It's definitely something which is, which is a feat, all right? For you to achieve something like that, behind that is a lot of efforts, not only from her, but from the mentors and from the parents. And there is a village behind a student to achieve those numbers. And today, we will be speaking to that particular village, to those people who was the inspiration behind achieving those numbers. Because when a student achieves those numbers, I think it's not only the student who wins, it's a parent who wins with the student, okay? So let's today do a success story. And I would not introduce her, let her introduce herself, and let's start. All right, can you please introduce yourself?
Hi, so my name is Anushri Taravelkar and I scored a 99.2 percentile in MHCET 5-year LLB. I currently passed 12th from Aryapudar College of Commerce and Economics, and I studied in Gokuldham High School in junior college in my 10th grade. I scored, I guess, 97.33% something in my 10th.
97.33 something, you बहुत ही humble ही बोल रही हो, 97.
Okay.
Then what was exactly you were doing in your 10th in terms of your profile?
So actually I had focused on 10th, but I was simultaneously doing Kathak. Yes, I'm even currently preparing for my Visharat Purna.
Amazing.
So yeah, so I was doing that simultaneously.
Fantastic. So what was your, I think you must have excelled with your Kathak exam as well.
Yeah, I would say that.
Oh, lovely. So with your Kathak, it's what, 7 years what you're learning Kathak now? So you dedicated a lot of time there as well.
I started with Kathak when I was like in, I guess, first grade. Yeah, ever since I was 6 years old, I started with my Kathak preparations.
Amazing. Yeah. So with Kathak, with studies, 97 is definitely quite a good number. So let me ask Mama, can you first introduce yourself and then we will talk the rest.
Hi, I'm Dhanashri Tavilkar. I'm proud mother of Anushri. I'm a practicing company secretary. I have my own firm, DTNV & Co. Like I said, she was very obedient and disciplined student in 10th, and we are very proud that she got 100 in drama classes also. She's very good in drama as well. She has done many dance performance also on stage. When we decided her career, or when we were talking to her about what line she wanted to choose, she was like from early
From the very beginning,
she was interested in law. So we searched for many classes. Actually, our relation with IMS goes long back. Me and my husband, he referred to IMS material when he was preparing for his CAT. I referred to
I listen this. I honestly get this very often
Yeah.
when I connect with deans and professors, and they say that, your office still in Tardeo? And trust me, when the office was in Tardeo, I was not in IMS. I'm like, sir, no. Oh, it was long back. And yes, I mean, it's nice to know that it's something which is going
even
as a legacy.
I was preparing for BMS, so I also referred your material.
That's the legacy of IMS, 49 years.
So
Okay,
when
and
we
counting.
came to know that IMS is conducting online classes for law preparation, so we immediately went to Borivali branch and got an admission for her. And we were very confident that if she is with IMS, then she's going to crack the exam.
Absolutely. But something which is now, the reason. See, you picked up law. Mama is saying that you were very clear, you were obedient, you were a good child, not really troubling anyone, following everything to the T. But tell me, what made you choose law?
So actually, when I was in 9th or 10th grade, I was very sure that I did not want to go for science. So I was going to go for law. And how is that? Because see, she is a company secretary, and I used to see, how she gets to deal with all these clients and how she's so much very through with her company laws and everything, and I used to love seeing that. She used to attend all these phone calls and everything. Then she didn't have to work for 9 to 7 jobs and everything. She had her own firm, so that was something that I was really interested in. Apart from that, I knew that also I didn't want to become a company secretary as sure, but I think that law was a very, very good field for me because I love to speak. First of all, I love to debate. So that's why I guess I chose law. And I was really interested in from the very beginning. Yeah.
It's really nice to see the kind of clarity you have. And somewhere Mama became the inspiration.
Yeah.
Okay, Mama became the inspiration for you to achieve what you wanted to, and trust me, nothing kind of beats that. Okay, as a parent, that you are the one who is inspiring the child.
Right.
Okay, legacy of IMS continues at your, in your house. Okay, so when you joined IMS, okay, how was the journey?
So basically, when I enrolled in IMS, I chose the online batch because I don't like to travel that much.
Being a Mumbaiker, she's saying this.
And that is something which is
Okay.
Yeah, because I had to travel to Dadar in the morning and then again home, then Borivali. That was a lot of traveling, and I did not really wish for that. So when I started my preparation, actually I was not so sure about how I was supposed to go about it. So then Siddhant sir was my mentor, and I immediately contacted him. I took his number and everything, and I told him, sir, for like 2 years from now, I'm going to literally trouble you with a lot of questions.
And she has
because-
done that.
Yeah. Yeah. So from the very beginning, I started to text him that, I've just started with my preparation. I got my modules and everything, and I started. But the very first thing that I did was that he told me to do was first to refer to the past year papers, because I did not know how CLAT was. And so to get an idea, I referred to them. Then I started solving my modules. Then it really helped me about how I should go about the passages, the long passages and everything. I started with the newspapers. That should be done like instantly when you know that you're going to prep for CLAT, then MHCET and everything. I knew the first thing that I did was start to read newspapers because I'm not much of a reader. I honestly don't like to read that much. So that was a whole new change that I had to adapt from the very beginning, but I did that, and that really helped me a lot. Yeah, so that's how I started.
I just want to mention one thing to you and to our audience as well. When you say that I would like to trouble my mentor, okay, trust me, that is the best part for a mentor. Okay, when you actually ask questions, that is the point for a mentor to understand the student is really worried about their own growths.
No, I can vouch for that, because many a times at 10:30 at night, and she was like, I will contact Siddhant sir. So I have told her ki it's 10:30, don't bother him.
Because I used to study, I guess, till 11:30 at night, and then I used to do legal at night. So I used to like, sir, I'm not able to understand this. How do I approach this question? I used to text him. I used to send him this picture, and he used to reply me in like 5 to 10 minutes immediately. And then my mother used to come and she's like, please don't bother him after 10:30. Please don't do it.
It is something, the way, our students push the mentors. But one thing which I want to understand from Siddhant sir, Siddhant sir, when you first interacted with Anushri, what exactly was your idea? Because now with so much of teaching experience, you definitely reach a point where you can look at the student and understand and say that yes, this particular student, to what extent you can push the student, and what was your whole idea about her?
So when I was conversating with her for the very first time, I completely got this feeling कि ये मुझे बहुत परेशान करेगी.
You did that.
Because in a very positive way, because that is what we in IMS also as a mentor, we have been trained that way, that be there, be ready for the students always. And that is what the teaching as a passion comes for all the mentors, whoever is watching this particular part. So when talking to Anushri, it was always this thing that transparency is completely there. She'll contact me for, sir, this is the question, this is the problem, this is the journey. That is the feeling which I got. But the best thing which I always like about her was that she is super sincere. That agar मैं इसको बोल दूंगा that you have to do this thing, it is going to be done without having that multiple time hammering, because her mother is anytime there. I knew it because I got the opportunity to have word with her as well most of the time when her CLAT preparation was going on. So at that time I knew that ki her mother is going to be there. ये इसको बार बार push करेंगी. Sir ने बोला you have to do it, and I know that she has to pass that phase of not able to get that rank in CLAT and A-Led, and she was like ki I'm not going to talk to anyone. And she just texted me चुपके से from the car, and she was not in a mood to talk even to her parents, but उसने मुझे बता दिया था कि sir this is the story. And I was like, yeah, I was expecting, but anytime the paper was not in her favor, and the next part of the journey I knew कि ये sincere है, she will come back, and she came with a bang. She cleared CET and the college which she wanted. She is having that. She always said कि sir, I don't want college to choose me, I want me to choose the college, and that is what. And her parents were like, sir कुछ भी हो जाए CET निकलना चाहिए, नहीं तो, because for a student like her, when she's getting 10 on 10, 100 on 100, getting to ये scholar students की एक पहचान होती है, that is what I can see. So that failure, and that is what is a learning. I'll not say it's a failure, it's a learning that she went through that phase. Now you are a different personality. If you don't give any entrance exam, you don't come out with a very strong personality. So that is what she is right now. Now she's super confident. I'm going to take this college. I have other plans as well. I'm going to crack this, that. Now path is clear. Now she's confident. Now maybe she needs a bit of support, I believe, from her parents and for us. Now she's in a bullet train right now, I believe so.
I am so glad to hear that. And one thing which really kind of shines here is the fact that, you were sincere, as he mentioned very correctly, okay? But you actually had a very strong backing as well, okay? But I want to ask you, Dhanashri, how has been the journey for you as a parent with IMS?
I'm very happy with IMS. We were a little worried that we have taken online classes for her. So how it will work out and something, but it was really good. Not a single day the classes were cancelled due to technical lags or something like that. And all the faculties have helped her. Whenever she was having any doubt, she used to contact the faculties, and faculties used to take online lectures for her, solve their doubts with patience. specifically, I'm thankful to Siddhant sir that he has encouraged her and he has always motivated her to go through her hard phase. And I'm happy. I'm very happy with IMS, and we are very satisfied. Me and my husband. My husband is really was very interested that she must crack MHCET and she should go to best college in Mumbai. And now we are proud parents. We are very satisfied with IMS.
And that's kind of, sums it all. Congratulations again. Okay. And one last word, Siddhant sir, anything you would like to tell her as a word of advice or wise words?
So one thing which I always repetitively say to her कि ज़्यादा डरा मत करो. Practical world is way cruel because you know that law as a field is not something which is, yeah, they need sincere people, they need the one who research properly, but don't be scared because you came till here without any breaks. मतलब कोई भी, if you look backward, you connect the dots backwards. So see things are definitely coming very strong and positive in your favor because yeah ठीक है clack नहीं हुआ, it's all okay, CT हो गया. That is something because that is a dream for some other students as well. And you are in that part, you had it in your hand. So wish you all the very best. And ma'am, you and the sir has supported a lot her. She was completely like कि मम्मी मुझे ये help कर रही हैं, दीदी is also helping me onto this, and Papa is also. So this is something which a message to all parents that it's a complete family journey. It's not just a journey of a student. So that is what a message to the parents as well. But we wish you all the best from the entire family of IMS.
Yes. All the best and do well.
Yeah,
Make
yeah,
us proud.
Thank you. Thank you very much.